Welcome and thanks for joining us for our Links WSM TV breaking news report. So we have been reliably informed that the president of Haiti, Mr. Genevieve Moose, has been assassinated, and this was released by the Prime Minister's office in that country. So President of Haiti, Mr. Genevieve Moose, has been assassinated in his private residence by a group of armed men who also seriously injured his wife, according to a statement from the interim Prime Minister's office. Speaking on local radio station, the Prime Minister, Mr. Claude Joseph, confirmed the killing of Mr. Moose, saying that the attack had been carried out by an armed commando group that included foreign elements, and this would have happened around 1 this morning, leading into Wednesday, July 7th, where a group of unidentified individuals, including some speaking Spanish, attacked the private residence of the president and also fatally injured him as well during the attack. His wife is also said to be in hospital in serious condition. We also have informed that the wife as well was seriously injured in the attack, and the official did not really provide any condition as it relates to her health and well-being. But right now the nation is actually plunged into mourning, and we'll have an updated report to come on this in a later update. But that's just the story that we have to bring to you right now, that the president of Haiti, Mr. Genevieve Moose, has been assassinated, and we'll update you with more information to come on this. Links WSM TV.